mercy. Ain't no mercy.
Hello everyone, Jason Olay back here again, and today we will be reacting to the Halloween and Inside Look.
He waited for this night. He's waited for me. I waited for him. Michael Myers is the embodiment of pure evil.
He is ruthless. A relentless force.
He's unpredictable. Anyone could be next.
Dad, look out!
Babysitter murders. 40 years to this day.
Michael!
Jamie has a talent, but she was born with it.
You don't believe in the boogeyman?
Perfect for the movie I made, and now she's perfect for David Gordon Green's movie.
You should.
This is as good as I've seen since we did the first movie.
It is intense. It's just brutal.
Okay, I never do reaction videos or talks about behind the scenes of movies unless it's a movie I'm really looking forward to. In this case, Halloween. I did something like this with Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom when the first trailer hit and the first Inside Look came out, and I was just really excited for that film. And if you see my review, you know I still love the movie. I still think the same way. Halloween, this new one, I have a lot of hopes for this. David Gordon Green, the way it looks like he's directing this film, it looks phenomenal, and it feels like he's going to bring that essence where Michael Myers is just an unpredictable force that you don't know much about, and that's what makes him scary in the first film. The sequels, even though I like some of them, they suffer from having Michael have an actual motivation or reason. Here, he's just pure evil, and that is all you need to know, and that's what makes it scary. And if the horror elements are able to show that this man is brutal as hell, I am excited. It looks like they are actually bringing this to us. We have John Carpenter, who's doing the score again and is executive producer of this film, so that's a good sign for me. It looks like it is going to be intense. Overall, I'm just really excited to see this. This is a cool inside look on what to expect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time.
The flame. I torture you. I'm a slave. Do you get